In this video, we will learn how to use text to column in Excel sheet. So let's start this in my Excel sheet. I have here some fixed asset data combined in one column. So here I'm going to split it data in different column. So I have a details of asset. The first is a asset code, second is a employee code, and third is a asset description. So here I'm going to split these all three column. Okay, first I select the full data here, then go to the data tab, click on the text to column option, then select the delimited and click on the next. Select the comma to remove the comma from this data. Then here you see data preview of this data. So first is a asset code, second is the employee code, and third is the asset description is the mention. Then click on the next and click on the finish. But here you see the all data is split in different column. I just use the control Z and again I use the text to column and select the delimited and click on the next, select the comma, select the next and select here in third step of the text to column is destination. Here A2 is selected, A2 is the first name of the asset with the description. Then here I am select the actual where you want the data. So I want here the data in this column. I select the destination of my data. Then I click on the finish. That's it. Here you see all three column is split in different cell. Okay. So here you can use this option. I again use the control Z. I show you again different way. Again go to the text to column and select the fixed width. When you select the fixed width and click on the next option, here you can just click on it and use the one line between the column. When I click here, here you see the one line is added. If you want here split the description also, then you can use here the line also. You can remove the line from here also and you can add by double click. I just remove this and add again. Okay, then click on the next. Then you can again use the destination. I select this one and click on again and click on the next. That's it. Here you see the four different column with data split. Okay, I use here the line in asset name and after the asset name description in get in different column. This is a way you can split in different way by using the text to column option. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.